Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Codexa.Techstack. If you want to become a skilled developer, you are in the right place on this channel. We'll learn programming step by step through easy tutorials, real-world projects and practical examples. What you'll learn on this channel: we'll cover web development, mob app development, stack, .NET, C# and many more. Whether you're just starting your programming journey or you're an experienced developer, this channel is built to help you learn, build, and grow. From front-end and back-end development to full-stack projects, AI tools, system design, coding tips, interview preparation, and the latest tech trends, you'll find practical, real-world content that helps you level up your skills. No unnecessary theory. Just clean code, modern technologies, and hands-on tutorials. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.